hiking the Nancy Hoover Pohl Scenic Overlook in Mulholland Drive. On Mulholland Drive. Turn left for the path. Shit. We're gonna have to walk back up this, guys. Coming here, make sure to wear proper shoes because yeah, it's slippery, you're gonna fall. Even if you're not in Vans, you can fall. Why is it people are just governments? Like, people don't really want to fight each other.
It's like the population.
Brad, where you going, man?
Oh, what's up, man? You know, we're going through the jungle. We're gonna just... Oh, man, this hike is kind of a...
This is a real, like, off the path hike.
Yeah, it's not like a popular, like, where everyone goes. So far, the two people we did see are, like, runners, so it might be a very demanding hike. I don't know.
I think it's farther down because down there that...
The one without the berry.
Tube and a bucket? Dude, you were saying it's like something's graveyard, right?
Back in the day when like people used to race on Mulholland Drive. Yeah, one of the corners is called Dead Man's Corner or something like that.
Yeah.
Where the car like flew off. Many cars probably.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. The wheels.
Yeah, back when there was no houses here.
Yeah.
Mulholland was first built.
Oh, when
It was just meant for racing.
it was just a racetrack.
It was just like a road meant for driving. And then they built houses.
And they didn't have barriers, and then they said, fuck you.
Yeah.
If you're not paying attention, you're dead.
So
Yeah.
back in the 60s, they would come out here with their Camaros probably. And their other cars.
Just race.
Fallen trees here, dude.
Honestly, I wonder why. Oh, yeah.
Damn, like, there's a little path, like, barely made.
Yeah, with trees in it.
This is the river.
And then a river, rock path.
Going, pretty much like...
Yeah, so we followed the riverbed around this gate.
People get lost and fall in the riverbed.
Yeah.
Oh! There's nails up here.
Alright, we got to the bottom. It's like a fire road, like that one place. I don't know if this is the bottom though. Ooh,
He's caught one before.
that was on video. So earlier we went down this way to the dead end, and this way is a loop, I guess, around. It keeps going.
It doesn't stop.
Cool, dude. Someone put like a, what is this called? The foreseeing eye? Actually, no, it's something else. And it's broken. Oh, that's the, and there's shit in here. Laney! Dude, the car! This is from like Dead, what did I say, Dead Man's Turn?
Probably.
Yeah.
Dang.
What car is it, dude?
It's a Jeep.
Is this, I wonder?
No, is that bad luck?
Huh?
Is it bad luck?
Is it a Bronco?
I don't know, I can't tell. What about the seats, dude? Look at the seats. The springs.
Wires.
Yeah.
Those are for sure put in. You can see the leather on the bottom.
We found the swamp river.
Swamp.
It's nasty, huh?
If you drink that.
You know how they have those. We made it to the top. We got lost a couple times on the way. We had to take a wrong turn.
Go back a few times.
We saw 2 crashed cars from Dead Man's Corner, right?
Dead Man's
Something.
View or something? Outlet?
Yeah, and then it's pretty steep,
Say.
but it's low key and it's a good one. But don't come here. It's ours. I'm kidding. So that's Dead Man's Corner, something like that. Corner or lookout. And I think that the person that crashed were coming this way, and they rolled down here. One person like flew hard and was here, and then one rolled.